Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of marry. Get married. For example, I was married in church. The second definition of marry. Combine to cause or make it possible for people to meet. For example, the two halves are trimmed and married up. American pronunciation. Marry. Marry. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Marry. Say. Marry. Marry means join in marriage. Marry. Marry. Marry origin. Middle English is a combination of Old French marrier and Latin maritare. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He did, and they were married at Linton Church in 1931. Now, repeat after me. He did, and they were married at Linton Church in 1931. The second practice. The couple will be married at Hythe Church on April 24th. Now, repeat after me. The couple will be married at Hythe Church on April 24th. Visual representation of marry. Marry means get married.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.